I'm gonna try and not delete this baling video, because that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a baling video. We're getting pretty close to being full. And when it hit 54, it did a single beep, letting me know that, hey, you're almost full. Now that it's 56, once it gets to 58, you'll stop. If I can get it to quit beeping at me, there. Now the net wrap spins. It's on auto, so you don't have to really do anything. Now it says to let the bale out. And then you can go again. What I like to do now that the end rows are done, I like to count 4 rows over and then go on the 5th row. And then I go to that side, do that row, and then I'll go do that row. This thing's beeping at me. Let me burn the clutch out really quick. Now we're moving. I did the, there's a 7-acre field over yonder on the other side of the trees. And I did that whole field basically in 4th gear. The baler's making funny noises. I might try to pump out videos every other 2 days, but that is all going to depend on what I'm doing and what's going on, and if there's anything to record. So just keep that in mind. I don't know about you guys, but this might be the most stressful thing I've ever tried to record. Huh. Anyway, there's more beeping. That's fun. There's another bale. That wrap. Oops. Weird noises. Getting darker. Stop getting darker. That's not good. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This is one of those situations where the hay's only been on the ground for about a week and a half. So once we got the chance, I had to come home from school, but like not actually go home. I hooked up to a trailer, went and grabbed the tractor and came over here and started baling. So yeah, that's fun. I had my GoPro. I wish I had my GoPro so I could set up some cooler shots, but all I have is my phone because I basically came straight from school. So this tractor is a Case IH JX90. Now, this is not an American tractor, but we have it. So, yeah. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is that this tractor pulling a New Holland 450 silage special is a little underpowered in our case. Yeah. Now, round balers honestly don't take require that much horsepower to run them. But if you're on hills and you're going up them and you're running out of RPMs, you wish you had a tractor with a little more horsepower. But you like, it also could cause your bales to not be packed very tight. But like this lever, the throttle lever right now, is to the rack. But you can't push on the foot throttle and give it more. And you'll keep her at 540. So that was interesting. Baylor decided it would be funny to plug up. Why did it plug up? I have no idea. Went out there, pulled a bunch of hay out of the pickup, tried to start her back up. Thing doesn't start back up. So we dumped an unfinished bale, and not only unfinished but unwrapped bale out of the baler, and got it out. The thing, like, oh come on, literally would not start back up even without a bale in it. But I tried a little harder. I pushed down the PTO lever a little harder, and it clunked. And there was like a big cloud of dust that shot at. It's almost like something clunked back into place. And I don't know what happened, but it was weird, and I didn't like it. Well, seems like I got that field done the rest of the way without having any more problems. Still really confused as to why the thing plugged up. I'm not sure what happened. We're in the next field now, so. Well, as you guys might tell, I am not in the hayfield anymore. And it's 7:30 on the next day. 7:30 p.m. that is. I better make an outro. So, this evening yesterday we got done baling at probably 10:30, 10:30. And then wrapping was going until 12, but I might have gone home and went to sleep before then because, well, you know, school. But I don't feel like that's a good enough reason because Dad had to go to work. Anyway, yeah. Remember how when I said that baling might be the most stressful thing I've ever tried to record? Yeah, that turned into a reality. Because I just quit recording. I was so done with it. But H is coming along, I think. Maybe a little bit. I don't know. I guess thanks for watching. We'll see you hopefully in another 2 days.